Nextjs 16 just dropped. In this video, I will break down everything new in Nextjs 16, what is changed, and how to upgrade your project safely. Let's take a look at some of these features that got released. Nextjs introduced something called cache components. This completely changes how caching works in the app router. Previously, caching in Nextjs was kind of implicit. Now, with the new cache component, you have full control using the new cache directive. This is built on the idea of PPR, partial pre-rendering, so that you can render part of your page statically and other parts of your page dynamically with the suspense boundaries. Next is the DevTools MCPs. It integrates with AI agents using the Model Context Protocol MCPs. Basically, it lets your AI understand your app context, such as routes, logs, stack traces, and even help you debug inside your IDE or terminal. Think of it like ChatGPT, but fully aware of your Nextjs project. It can explain why something broke. I think this is going to make debugging so faster. Next is the proxy.txt. You will now use proxy.txt instead of middleware.txt. This was introduced to improve and clarify network boundaries. Next is the developer experience, DX. Nextjs have improved login for build and development requests. Now your terminal output shows where time is actually spent. You will also see compile and render phases separated, which also helps you pinpoint slow components. These are the main features you have to know about, but there are other sub features and improvements, like for example, table pack is now stable and is officially the default bundler for all apps. We also have stable React compiler support. This means we don't have to use callback hook anymore or use memo anymore. Everything is done for you automatically. Another thing is React 19.2. This adds few things like use effect event hook, view transition, and the activity component. We will dive deep into some of these later in this video. Since we know what got changed, let's dive deep into some of the features. Let's spin up a new Nextjs project and see if anything changes. The command stays the same: pm create next-app at latest. And as you can see, we now have new options to choose from. Use recommended defaults, reuse previous settings, and use custom settings. And if you use the recommended default, you'll use TypeScript, ESLint, Tailwind CSS, app router with table pack. And if I click on enter, it will install everything. In my opinion, I think this is a game changer because I hate tabbing through every question. This makes my life easier. Okay, so now let's dive into the folder structure and see if something changed. And as you can see, everything still stays the same. Nothing has changed. Thanks for watching. See you in my next upload. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos like this.